Welcome everyone. Question on redox reaction. In a strongly alkaline medium, the equivalent weight of KMnO4 is given. Molecular weight of KMnO4 is 158. Choices are A 31.6, B 52.6, C 158, D 172. Answer is C 158. Explanation we will see in the next slide. The reaction is MnO4 minus plus electron to MnO4 2 minus. This reaction is an example of a reduction reaction. We know that the equivalent weight of the oxidant KMnO4 is equal to molecular weight of KMnO4 by number of electron changes is equal to 158. It is the molecular weight of KMnO4 by 1. 1 is the number of electron changes is equal to 158. Thank you for watching this video.